Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Yay! To make a review, today is what we're doing.
And we are doing when you see us together, we're most likely going to review something.
Yeah, because you guys liked having two of us
Review.
in the same video.
And we like being next to each other. So
yeah, it's pretty cool.
It works out.
So today we are going to be reviewing the new Lele Pons and Tarte collab.
Really pretty.
So there is a palette,
a lip gloss, and lashes.
So we attended the event, the
last
night.
It was fun. She is awesome. She is so she's so sweet and she's so nice. And she went and hugged everyone that went and said hello and just greeted them. And that's something that you don't see that.
She literally went up to every person. There was like probably 200 people at the event and was just like, "Hi, good, thank you for coming.
Thank you guys for coming. How are you?" Blah, blah, blah. She made conversation. It was cool. It was I liked it. She was nice. She was cute. She's very pretty, and she is exactly. She's so funny.
So we got a goodie bag last night. So we technically got two, but we gave our friends that we went with one. So we have one pair of lashes. So we're gonna end up doing
like a little like rock paper scissors game.
To see who gets to wear her lashes.
Yeah.
Girl, come on. So here is what the palette looks like. The theme and colors is like these marbles, like regular marble, there's like a purple marble.
It's really pretty.
Really cute.
It is a eyeshadow and cheek palette. So there are the 3 mattes, the 6 shimmers, the 1 cheek, and 1 highlight. And then these are the lashes.
Yes, these are the eyelashes. They're so freaking pretty.
They're so
really
cute.
Want to wear these.
Here is the lip gloss, and the shade is Lele.
Currently Googling the prices. Stand by.
This palette is $35. That's not too bad.
No, it's not. Since you have 9 eyeshadows and 2 cheeks.
Yeah, that's pretty good. And then we do have the lashes, and these lashes are going for $12, which is really cute.
Yes,
actually,
that's
pretty
really affordable.
Yeah.
A lot of lashes are like $30.
Okay, so this is Lele's lip gloss, but it's vegan. I didn't know that. That's cool. And it does go for $20. $20.
So 20, 12, and 35.
So we have not swatched any of the colors yet. We haven't played with the palette yet.
I'm gonna go ahead and start with. You can go ahead and set your eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and put on blush and highlighter. You can see I don't have that. I wanted to use the blush and the highlight from the palette.
Same.
You can use the blush.
I'm gonna use the blush. I did.
He has highlighter on.
I already did put a little.
She forgot.
A little something.
This blush is so pretty. So I'm gonna grab the blush and then I'm gonna put on the highlighter.
And I'm just gonna grab the blush.
The blush is called Playa.
Playa.
Oh, so she is from Venezuela. So I think that's, if you look at the names, Pina Colada, Miami, Loca, Venezuela, Playa. So she got a little spice in her.
Okay, I love that shade. We're gonna share the palette, girl. We got one.
Okay, so I like that it's not super pigmented, because I don't like when blushes when you put one on.
And it's like stamps.
And then you're
pink.
like, oh shit.
I like when it's buildable. I like the little tone, just a little cute little.
I would say this blush is pretty universal.
Yeah.
Not for super deep people or dark people, but I would say maybe like a medium light. Even fair. The deeper you go, the more ashy it might look.
Okay, I like it. I'm gonna stop there. In person, I got this cute little light rose cheek. Damn, girl, you're going in that blush.
Fuck yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna dip into.
Lately I've been into like a lot of blush. Not a lot, but a good amount, girl. I used to put it on to where you couldn't even see it, and then it would just look like I have redness in my skin. So I like to make sure that it looks like blush.
I like to always bring it up kind of like towards the bridge of the nose.
Alright, so blush is cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the highlighter. This is called Celoso.
Celoso.
It looks like a cute shade. Hopefully it's not too light for me.
It looks like it would be a good shade for me, but
let's see what it looks like.
Swatch it first. Or...
Oh, that's pretty.
I know, but I love a glow. Look at that.
You have a glow, ho.
But imagine
you have a glow, ho.
But imagine more glow.
Ho, you got a glow. Are you a glow, ho?
12 hours later.
Girl.
She's still putting on highlight.
Still packing it on, honey. I'm gonna be wild and not highlight the top of my brow.
You're so wild.
I know.
So this is Wesley reviewing the palette by himself since
Basically.
it's taking forever.
Well, because somebody already put highlighter on when you're not supposed to.
Bitch, I already got my favorite. So my all-time favorite, like, highlight situation right now is from Collab Cosmetics, and it is their Moon Bounce.
Collab makeup, technically.
I feel like it gives you a little texture.
There's a... No, not really texture. But,
well, because...
Well, I mean, yes, but it has a little bit of a cast. So it definitely will probably have a cast on you because you're darker than me.
I have no cast, look at that.
Yeah.
But then, now watch.
I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a little light right here. But barely, you can barely even see it.
We do recommend that shade for fair skin people.
Fair to light. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and move on to eyes.
Yes.
You know what you're doing, so I'll pass the torch.
I think I know what I'm doing. I just saw a color and I liked it.
I like it. I love it. I want some more of it.
Oh, it says make them celoso.
It says what?
Make them celoso. Celoso? Make them celoso.
What is soloso?
Okay, Google, what is the translation for celoso?
Celoso means jealous in Spanish.
Jealous?
Make them jealous.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh. Bitches be jealous, bro.
Alright, guys, so for my crease, I'm going to be dipping into the shade Amigos, which is going to be this. What shade? What kind of color is that? I can't tell.
Terracotta.
Ooh.
Terracotta. It's a good word. Terracotta is like a warm.
Well, anyways, I'm going to be...
red.
What are you going to be dipping into?
I don't know.
Okay, so once again, I'm going to be dipping into...
Oh, sorry.
I'm talking. Anyways, I'm going to be dipping into shade Amigos, which is the shade right here.
Amigos. Hand me the scissors. Oh, I need to cut this hair. It's one long hair. Nope. Didn't get it. Girl.
It's my left hand. Give me a break.
Let me do it. You gotta rest the pinky.
I know. You see me? You need balance.
So I'm just setting my eyes right now. I feel like I could totally do my makeup in the monitor now without a mirror. I think we should make that like a challenge video because everything's flipped backwards. I think it could be a cool video. Alright, you guys. So this palette's pretty neutral. So.
And there is only 3.
It is pretty, but let's see. By the way, you can use the blush and the highlighter obviously as eyeshadows as well. I think I'm gonna go ahead with the blush. I'm gonna put it in my crease because I want to make this as different from you as possible. Damn, these are good little compacts. This is the Soul body highlighter from ColourPop.
I used that last night.
So pretty.
It was pretty on my chest.
So I'm taking the blush, Playa, and put it in my crease. Okay, so I'm gonna take Boo Boo Cakes.
Boo Boo Cakes?
I'm going to put that on my outer...
Is it really called Boo Boo Cakes? That's so cute. What are Boo Boo Cakes?
You just read all of these off.
Honey, does it mean I remember? No.
Okay, I'm gonna take Boo Boo Cake, Boo Boo Child, and put it on the outer corner of my eyelid and my crease. I'm gonna dip a little bit into Amigos. I'm gonna mix the two together.
So now that I have finished the crease, I'm gonna go ahead and take Amigos and put it in the outer corner of my lid and pack it on.
So I'm gonna take the shade Loca, and I'm going to put that into... I'm just gonna put that on my eyelid with my Fanga. I'm gonna put a little bit of Miami on top, which is the gold. Ooh, yes. Yes, I'm gonna put the gold on top and kind of mix them together.
Alright, so now that the outer corner and the crease is all in place with Amigos, I'm going to be dipping into the shade Hibiscus, and we're going to be putting that on my lid. I am going to give it a little spray, just so we have no fallout.
So I'm going to take Amigos, and I'm going to run that underneath the lower lash line. So I'm going to grab the shade Cabo, which is the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm going to do a winged liner with that. Just going to use the brush from Sigma. This is the E75.
So now that Hibiscus is placed on the lid, I'm going to go ahead and dip into Cabo with a Sigma E20. So I'm going to keep Cabo really close to the waterline underneath the eye, and we're going to go ahead and smoke it out with the Amigos color. Now that Cabo is placed down, I went ahead and dipped into Amigos with a pencil brush, and we're going to go ahead and smoke it out. I think I'm gonna take pina colada and put it in my inner corner. Alright guys, now that the under eye is smoked out, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and dip into pina colada and put that in the tear duct. I like pina colada.
And getting caught in the rain.
And just like that, we have that pop.
I'm taking pina colada.
You are
in the
taking.
corner. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera.
And we'll come
And then
back.
we'll come back for the rock, paper, scissors for the lashes.
Our eye looks are done.
Well,
I mean,
eyeshadow. So now we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors for the lashes. We're gonna see who gets them.
2 out of 3.
2 out of 3.
Right.
Alright, hold it up.
You know how to go rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Sure.
Okay. Ready?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Rock, paper, scissors.
shoot. Oh wow, you did the same thing as I did.
Okay.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah.
One time. Okay, that's one win.
Oh, I'm scared.
Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, you got me!
Alright, 1 to 1.
1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh,
2 out of 3. I get him?
Yeah. Yes. You got him.
Uh-oh. Why do I feel bad now?
Because you just want to let me wear them instead?
Let's see what they look like on me. If I don't like them, maybe I'll let
Well, those
you.
look like the ones I was wearing yesterday.
Same. Like, these are so beautiful. You know what? I would curl these, though, honestly. They don't have much of a curl. So for mascara, I'm going to use Tarte. The Tartiest. Oh, there is no.
I'm going to use Big Ego.
I knew that was going to happen. Trying to get really close to that lash line, and girl, I stabbed my eye.
My big ego's it's getting bigger with these
That's
lashes.
my ego that you stroking. Girl, I messed up too.
I just stabbed my
I stabbed my
eye.
already.
It's the opposite eye that I stabbed too.
Oh my god, we're a mess. If you get mascara, like on your face, your eyes, wait for it to dry and take a spoolie.
Don't touch it while it's wet. Just let it dry.
Because it'll smear. So take a spoolie when it's dry, and literally it'll just flake off. And we back and we back and we back in it. You better run.
You better what?
And you're gonna see, you're gonna see, you're gonna see.
We'll see how it's done.
So if you guys didn't know, you can curl false lashes. If it doesn't just give you that that you want,
Curl
you can
them.
literally just curl them
Never curl them
on your eye.
with mascara on. Curl them before when they're dry, then apply mascara.
Yes, and don't curl these while these are on your eye either.
Just go ahead and grab your fingers and just go underneath it and just pinch it in.
Yeah, because it'll rip your lashes out. Where's
Hey.
the scissors? So here are the Lele lashes.
And here are the Salon Perfect lashes. I don't know what style they are, but that's okay.
Okay, so lip time. The lip gloss is a little clear.
Well,
it's very sheer, so we're gonna go
yes.
ahead and put a lipstick underneath it.
And then we'll go ahead and both top it with it.
Yeah.
And what are you using?
The lip I'm using, I'm just gonna do Tarte again, obviously.
Obviously.
This is called Beach Babe.
I'm going to be using Pat McGrath Labs, and this is...
It just broke. What? It just broke.
What? It was like loose already, huh?
Yeah, it's loose. I'm just gonna use a lip brush because this is still really pretty.
Okay, but what I'm going to be using is the Pat McGrath, the Matte Trance Lipstick. And this is in the shade Femi Bot. This is the packaging. Super cute.
Yeah, it is cute.
Magnetic. And this is going to be like a dusty purple.
Cat.
Alright, so here we go. We're going to jump on into it. I'm kind of just stamping it on in the center of the lip.
Girl, my lips look juicy. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love this makeup look today. Well, if you're fair, it's a really, really good nude. Beach Babe. Gloss
Okay.
me.
You like it?
It's cute. It's a cat. It's so cute.
Well, I'm pretty happy with this look so far.
Hold on, let me gloss. Let me gloss.
Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Alright, guys.
We are completed.
We are complete. And
Fine.
this includes the tutorial. Out of like a 1 to 10 rating, 10 being like the best palette I've ever used.
Oh, ever.
And 1 being the worst I've ever used. I'm gonna give this, I would give it like an 8.
I'd give it like a 9, just because I had no issues with it.
Not that I had no issues, I just wish there was a couple more mattes. I wish the highlighter was not as
you don't mean
white.
You don't mean formula? You
No,
mean, like,
I just
the
mean
palette.
the palette in general. I wish came more with it as far as mattes. But
Yeah.
the formula itself, everything blended out nice. Everything was awesome.
It's really pretty for every day. For those of you who like your neutrals, which is about 95% of everyone.
No one likes to use color. But here is a little color. Here is a little more neutral. You do have a wing lined over here, and we just have a simple...
Yeah. So when we do these reviews together, we're going to try and...
do opposite looks.
So that
we can bring out the most in the palette.
Yeah, so you can see like the diversity of it in one video.
But yeah, I mean, besides that, everything was awesome.
Yeah. I like that you can use...
the highlighter was a little light for people. I think that's kind of a bummer.
It might be a little casty if you're a little bit more medium.
Because not a lot of people will be fair. Lele Pons is, I want to say, a good person.
She just posted their photo together on her story. Like right now she did. It's pretty cool.
It's cute. It's like cute. Like, I don't know. It's
Most
cool.
influencers wouldn't do that.
Yeah.
I'll just say that.
At least really big ones. You go, Tarte Cosmetics.
I mean, Tarte is Tarte. They got good shit. Look, this piece of hair keeps sliding down.
And just in case you want to know, my foundation and concealer is Tarte Cosmetics.
I'm actually using the concealer as foundation.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
I've seen people do that before, so I was like, oh. Because my foundation that I got was too dark, so my concealer matches my face, so that's what I'm using.
But, thank you guys so much for joining in and taking your time out of your day to watch us again. Make sure, if you haven't subscribed yet, to go ahead and press the subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up. Drop some comments below. And give Wes a follow at Wesley Benjamin Carter. And that is for Instagram. And you can give myself a follow at Matt_Lars.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope
Adios.
you guys enjoyed this. Hope to see you in the next video as well.
And we will see you soon.
Deuces.